jump back into the buzz with Alex, Jason, and Keith.
Welcome back to the Fox 9 Buzz. The flu season is well underway, but it is far from over.
Alex just threatened to smack me during the commercial break. Spank. If you're one of the many people who missed getting their flu shot this year, or still haven't been vaccinated for the H1N1 virus, tomorrow you'll have the chance to get it done for free. Joining us to talk about the flu season and how you can get free flu and H1N1 shots is Adrienne Thornton, a registered nursing assistant from Children's Hospital and Clinics in Minnesota. So, okay, so a lot of people think it's too late to get these shots, but it's not, right?
It is not. You know, the flu season actually just picked up. H1N1 came in with a bang. It stayed longer than we anticipated. It held back seasonal flu, which was a good thing, but now we have to deal with seasonal flu. So the season is just beginning. It'll probably peak sometime in February. It'll stay and hang around until April or May.
Till April or May, so we've got until then, and it's not too late.
No,
it's not. Don't be complacent about it.
Yes, don't be complacent. A lot of people say, oh, I got my child vaccinated. I don't need to get vaccinated. They never think about the fact if they get the flu, who's going to take care of the child?
Yeah.
You know, so parents and children, grandparents, everybody needs to get vaccinated, no matter what age you are.
Okay. Now, you're also offering the H1N1 shot.
We are.
Yeah, and so would you say, how much about the new cases? Are there still a lot coming through right now of H1N1?
There are a few, not as many as we had in October, but we think that's because so many people have been vaccinated. We do think that there's a possibility we'll have a third wave. That could be sometime in February. It could be at the same time as the seasonal influenza peak. It could be at a different time. We don't know. So we're just trying to get everybody vaccinated so that we're well prepared for the peak.
And Adrienne, I want to make sure everyone knows is the free vaccinations are available tomorrow, right, at Kohl's stores in Maplewood. Maplewood Mall, rather, and in Eden Prairie. So if they go, can anyone get these shots?
Anyone can get the shots 6 months of age and up. We'll have the H1N1 and seasonal. We have Minnesota Visiting Nurses Association helping us out. They're going to have plenty of nurses there and staff. Everybody is welcome to come get vaccinated. We have the nasal for people who don't like shots.
Oh, good. Yes. and my daughter.
She looks at me.
Okay.
Well, I'm just reminding you that it's not too late for you either.
I know.
And if you want me to come and hold your hand while you get your vaccine.
It is too late for me, Adrienne. It's really too late for me, trust me.
Now, I have a question. If you're not sure, for instance, if your young child has had H1N1, I mean, is it safe to go and get the shot?
It is. As long as they don't have any fever or cough or any really bad symptoms, we can still vaccinate them. If they haven't had H1N1 confirmed by a test, you still should get it because it might have been H1N1 and it might not have been.
But if you had it, it's safe to, to get the shot.
It's safe to get the shot, and it's really best because you want to build up your immunity. This is a new organism. Your body really doesn't know it, so the more exposure it has, the better your immunity. And that's why children under 9 have to get 2 shots, because it takes a little bit more for their bodies to build up immunity to the organism.
All right, and you're also giving away that.
Yes, we are giving away big bottles of sanitizer, lots and lots of sanitizer, and also children's backpacks for the kids.
Oh, great. All right, thank you, Adrienne. Adrienne Thornton from Children's Hospitals and Clinics.
And can't wait to see you there.
She's going to hold your hand. Write it down right now.
Making an appointment. The free H1N1 and seasonal flu vaccines are available tomorrow, as I said, from 4 to 7 p.m. at the Kohl's store inside Maplewood Mall and in a heated tent outside the Kohl's store at Eden Prairie Center.
That's good that it's heated.
I'll see you then, Adrienne.
See you tomorrow.
Maybe.